Naku, tinatawag na ako ng kambing. So this is the area of the goat. Welcome to my channel. So we have 3 goats. This is the son. This is the mother. And that is the father. So welcome to my vlog. To this vlog ay dito tayo sa farm. So nakikita niyo yan guys. Ayan, farm ng mga goat. So pag pumulupot sila, ayan, what happened, buddy? What happened, buddy? You have a problem? So guys,